So this story is Air Canania. Also, part 2 will be coming in Saturday. Also subscribe so ICNA make more story airplanes. Enjoy the video.
Air Canania, HM, I think I should call ground power unit for some power before loading the passengers.
Ground power unit, Air Canania.
Air Canania, thanks for the power. Now I can load some stuff. Air Canania, time to call the trucks.
Air Canania. Hey, Air Canania. Here's all the supplies for the passengers.
Air Canania, oh thanks, load them now.
The other trucks. Okay. Trucks, bye Air Canania.
Air Canania, okay, bye.
Ground power unit, I will leave now. Bye and also be careful.
Air Canania, yay, bye.
Pushback. Hey Air Canania, I will now take you to the taxiway.
Air Canania, okay.
Push back. Good luck on your flight.
Air Canania, time to taxi now. Air Canania, the time is 10 p.m. now. It's pretty late. I have to take off now. Air Canania, this flight will be fine. Nothing will not happen. Asterisk few minutes of taxiing to the runway asterisk.
Also, don't mind I'm taking off in the taxiway.
Air Canania, time to take off. Air Canania, we.
Positive way.
Air Canania, this flight is actually gonna be fine.
Gear up. Flag.
Air Canania, I think my pilot is preparing the buttons, but it's fine.
Terrain. Don't sink. Don't sink. Too low. Terrain.
Air Canania, I will just chill here, while in the air. Air Canania, what just happened?
Pilot, oh my god, the throttle is not working.
Air Canania, I know, we need to call emergency services.
Read out emergency services. Yes, what's your emergency?
Air Canania, PLS, we need some help. We are losing altitude.
Read out emergency services, okay? We're on our way to help you.
Air Canania, okay, PLS hurry.
Don't sink. Don't sink.
Air Canania, pilot, pull up.
Don't sink. Don't
Pilot,
sink.
I'm
Too low.
struggling. I
Terrain.
can't pull it up.
Don't sink. Don't sink. Too low. Terrain.
Gear down. DPUS. Terrain. Terrain. Pull up. Pull up.
Sink rate.
Pilot, I guess this is the end.
Sink rate.
Plane. No.